than 24 hours. So you all have to select more than 24 hours. Then in the next step, the system will ask you, was the transaction successful? So you all have to select no, the transaction is declined. The third and last query your system will ask you is something related to, was that amount debited from your wallet? Yes. Then you have to put your transaction number. And then you have to verify.
Hello.
Then system will tell you about that particular transaction ID. You can see over in right hand side that the transaction status is successful. But in a meanwhile, still you're getting the failed update, but recharge not done or whatever the thing is. So you need to click on still want to raise ticket. Once you have clicked over here, the page will redirect to the section, other section. You need to put Airtel mobile recharge. You need to select ticket category. The ticket category is obviously recharge. You need to select Airtel. You need to put your message. Once you put your message, Airtel. You all will get a ticket number like this. Okay. You can also check over here, if you raise any ticket regarding transaction number, the system will automatically reply you regarding that particular ticket number. Okay. Yeah, I've already raised that particular ticket. I've get the ticket number from my side. Amount is debited. So now the system will reply me. Okay. So just be online. Just be online. Just give me a minute. शिव सर, मैंने प्रोसेस तो एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है. Is there anything you want me to share?
Now just tell them about the services like recharge of mobile bills and recharge of D2H and then IRCTC and others.
Okay. So I think as far I concern, this is a very simple process for all of you. Nothing to worry about it. Now I'm going to share you some services related queries also. The first service I'm going to explain you is recharge. Okay. There are mobile prepaid, cable TV, DTH recharge, mobile postpaid, broadband postpaid, landline postpaid, and there are few more services over here. Suppose if anyone wants to do any transaction related mobile recharge, so you can search over here. Suppose I'll show you how it works. Okay. That's my mobile number. I have put it over here. Suppose if I wanted to check any special plan also, so you can see over here, there are all the special plans is coming. You need to put your wallet pin, which you have already created through my profile section. You have to put it and submit it. Once you put it and submit it, that particular thing, you will get your benefits of recharge, same as well as a mobile postpaid and broadband postpaid. But remember, you need to put always the correct details. If you put any wrong detail, that particular amount will never gonna refund back to you. In the electricity, you can see all the electricity biller is available. Okay, the thing you need to maintain is the service name, city, and the customer mobile number. If anyone depends on you, the customer mobile number is very mandatory and always needs to be correct, because sometimes it happens that the transaction is declined but the amount not refunded. So that we have to coordinate with the electricity department through customer mobile number. So always put the customer's correct mobile number. Now I'm going to explain a little more about the insurance services. There are few services over here. You can see the Bajaj Allianz, Exide Life Insurance, Sahara, Reliance. You all can pay the premium also, life insurance premium. The policy number you need to put, the mobile number. Again, I'm saying you that you need to provide the customer correct details, which is very important. Okay, the health insurance delegate is available. In the travel section, there are 3 services over here. IRCTC, in which you can book the railway ticket, the flight tickets, in which you can book the flight ticket, and the bus ticket. There are 2 service providers which have tie up with us. Book on spot and iBivo group. You can book a bus ticket for both our organization, and the flight tickets you can book from our side also. In IRCTC, you only need to do a registration of 1,000 rupees. Once you have registered you with us, we'll share you the invoice copy at the meanwhile time. So then we'll share you the credentials also for IRCTC for the further process. In flight tickets and bus tickets, there is no need to put any registration. You can go for the direct process. Every registration, every service user manual will be shared with you all. So no need to worry for this. Every manual will be shared with you. So whatever the thing is, you can go through the same services also. The water bill you can pay. The Bangalore, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Delhi, sab jagah you can pay from all the states. Everything if you wanted to pay, you can go for the same thing. See, the IRCTC registration portal looks like this. If you wanted to register, so you need to click on the first link. If you wanted to check your IRCTC agent code status, then you need to click on a second link. If you wanted to check whether your documents is rejected or not, so you need to click on third one. If any objection marked, suppose if objection relates to mobile number and email related issue, then you have to click on the fourth and final button. You can see if there might be any objection or not. First, now I'm going to share you a few services like Jeevan Praman. In Jeevan Praman certificate, as you are able to see my screen right now, wait a second. Dear, this is to inform you that create Jeevan Praman certificate from CSC portal. There is no fees for creation of Jeevan Praman. But to use that particular services, you need to plug in and install one of Aadhaar devices in your laptop. So the biometric device is mandatory. Once you proceed this, you can see the first time device registration. You all have to register your device, then you have to register yourself, then submit it. Once you submitted yourself, you can see, you can go further for the further process and you can make a GM demand certificate as per the customers accordingly. The main thing you need to collect from documents from customer is Aadhaar card, customer PPO number, banking details, and Aadhaar registered mobile number and customer fingerprint. Okay. शिव सर हो गया
Okay, tell them about FASTag, how they have to recharge, where they have to go.
शिव सर आई गेस ना उसमें भी हेड चेंज हुआ है शायद तो हेड है नहीं अभी यहाँ पर ना
Okay, so let us do one thing. Just type loan. Now I will explain. Okay, guys. So now I am going to tell you about the EMI collection process. So currently we are associated with three different companies like Mahindra, TVS, and Unimoney. So for all of their products like gold loan, bike loan, car loan, tractor loan, and for Mahindra Rural Home Finance Limited, that means if somebody has taken the home loan, so against that home loan, if he wants to pay the EMI of the that home loan, he just has to go on this particular link. इस पे एक बार क्लिक करना जरा. Click here.
Also,
Mahindra. Yeah. So you have to select the EMI collection process. Just go on this EMI collection button. You can see there are three different companies are listed. The first one is the Mahindra Rural, second one is Unimoney, and third one is TBS. So once you click on the pay EMI button, it will ask you for the contract number or the agreement number. Rudrak, just click on this. Yeah. So it has a every company has an agreement number or a contract number. So whatever the contract number is, it may be the 10 digit, it may be the 7 digit. So because we have in Mahindra we have 7 digit contract number. So if we put the contract number and click on this proceed button, it will show me the certain information related to the customer, that how much EMI that he has to pay, from where he belongs to, in which state he is actually currently belongs to, and whatever the amount of that EMI he has to pay, he just has to click on the pay EMI button, and it will directly deduct from the wallet after deducting the commission. That means, let's say if somebody has a EMI of rupees 1,000, and he comes to your post office and asks that I want to pay my EMI, Mahindra home loan EMI through your center. So you can just go to that option and follow all the steps which I have told you. So once you click on the pay now button, it will deduct your something around 900 rupees from the wallet. That means 100 rupees commission you get instantly in your wallet. So it is just an example. Whatever the commission will be set, you will get the commission according to the services. So once the transaction gets successful, you will get a notification, kind of SMS on your mobile registered mobile number, and then it will show you the receipt also, which you can take the printout and give it to the customer. So this is the process of EMI collection. Apart from this, if somebody comes to your post office center and ask you that I want to buy a bike or I want to buy a tractor, so what you can do is you can just go directly on the loan product button. Rudraksh, can you just go and click on this loan product button? Yeah. So there you'll see there are 100 types of loan products available. So according to the need of the customer, if let's say somebody comes to your post office and ask that I want to purchase a two-wheeler, or or you just click on the two-wheeler button, and it will show you the company which we have associated with. So you just have to select on this TVS credit, because HDFC will not be enable for you guys. Just click on this apply button, Rudraksh. So before applying button, you just go back to the loan product. Yeah. Click on this two-wheeler loan. Yeah. So you can see there are two buttons, which one is downloaded and second one is apply loan. So downloaded means kind of prerequisite documents which is required for applying this two-wheeler loan. What you need to do is you just need to click on this download button, and there you will see that how what are the documents that is actually required for applying the loan. So once you click on this apply button, it will ask the certain information related to the product that you are going to purchase.
For back office, sir.
Just click on this apply loan button. Yeah.
Yes, sir, I think our department only collecting EMI, not giving loan on any except treatment.
So okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
what I was telling you that certain information related to the customer, like his name is,
Yeah.
gender and email address and mobile number, other stuff, that he just has to fill this, generic information, and then just he has to submit this as a lead. So once this will approve from the TVS credit department and his team, you will get the commission at the end of the month. That means if, let's say, if I have applied the loan, for somebody in this month, and if that loan gets success, that means I will get the commission in the next month cycle. So these are the processes that I was telling you about, how you can apply for loan for different kind of services, and how you can pay the EMI collection process. Mr. Neil, go ahead.
No, sir, I think that mostly services are covered by CSCT. And if anyone have a query regarding wallet pin and wallet amount, then he can raise, or she can raise his query.
Right.
Session will be
So
going
now
on.
I would request all of you to just raise your hand one by one, and in case of any query or question that you have, or might be that you have not questions, we'll be able to answer it.
Only one by one.
I can see Mr. Jitendra Kumar Gupta. You have any question? You just unmute your mic and speak out.
One by one, you can ask up. One by one.
Yeah.
Do we have any questions today related to the trainings that we have done for you guys?
Question, guys?
If anyone have any query regarding this session, please raise your hand and ask the question to the concerned team. We are there to hear your query, please.
I don't think there are any questions, unless they will not go through with the portal. They would not be having any issue, and then they can.
This portal is, I think this portal is so much friendly that if we thank for one time, we can just make transaction.
Okay, let's go through Rajesh sir. Rajesh sir, are you there with us on this training session? Anil, will you please call Rajesh sir and ask if any questions that team can raise on this training session? Otherwise, we
I think neither guys have no question right now.
वॉलेट सर कैसे ऐड करना है जरा फिर से
वॉलेट में आपको क्या ऐड करना है पैसे
हाँ पैसा ऐड करना
मैं आपको
वॉलेट
दोबारा
पिन
प्रोसेस
जनरेट
दिखाता
करना
हूँ
है सर, वॉलेट मनी ऐड करना है.
वॉलेट में पैसा ऐड करने का है मैं I'll explain you sir you can see again I'll show you my screen and you can see the process okay just see I'm sharing my screen You have to go to add money. You have to click on wallet button. Once you click on a wallet button, you can see over here. Suppose I wanted to add 1,000 rupees. So I have to click on a 1,000 button and I have to put my wallet pin. Once I have put my wallet pin, I have to put a remark. Suppose the fund required.
1 minute.
Submit it.
You have seen there are two radio buttons. One is of add money, another is of revert money.
Reward money.
If you click on add money, then money will be added in your wallet account. If you click on revert money, then money will be revert to your main wallet account.
Any more question?
Cleared or not?
So Shiv sir, I don't think they guys have much question right now.
Let it be decided by Rajesh sir. I think he is with us on this.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, please ask. We
Yeah,
can
ma'am,
hear you.
please.
Sir, you told about the ticket raising procedure. Right? In that,
Ticket raise.
in that,
Actually,
if the
listen
amount
the
is
question
not
first. You just please go ahead with the question.
okay. You said about ticket raising. In that, if the amount is not refunded to your wallet, you should raise a ticket.
I'm showing you the process, man. I'm showing you the
No, sir,
You
I'm
have to
not.
wait for some time. Not like if let's say if your transaction, if your money has not been added to the wallet, suddenly
I don't know whether
then
it is
you
added
raise
to
the
the wallet or I don't know whether it is added to the wallet or not. But in the daily account, it is shown in the payment side. Should I raise a ticket for that?
First, you can go to the wallet option and
One
then
minute,
you
one
can check
minute,
whether
one minute.
the
Shiv sir,
amount has been added.
Shiv sir.
Yeah.
This question regarding CSI, may I explain this?
Okay. Sure. Please go ahead.
Ma'am, you have seen payment in your payment side.
Yes, sir. I have done a recharge amount, but at the time it showed it was unsuccessful, but wallet amount was deducted. On the next day when I saw it was shown in the payment side. I mean, the whole transaction was shown in receipt side as well as on the payment side.
As well as in receipt side, as well as in payment side.
Payment side.
It means your transaction is not successful. If transaction of your CST will fail, then it will show on both sides. That is receipt side and also in payment side. Yeah, your transaction is failed. Please check that your transaction that you have made
I have
on
checked with the customer
order
that
history.
the recharge amount was not successful.
Please, if it is not
In the
successful, then
refunded-
money will be reverted. It will be reverted in your account.
Should I raise a ticket for that?
No. Why are you raising a ticket? The amount will be reverted to you.
The amount should be paid to the customer back. Am I right?
Yeah, you will revert that amount to the customer after writing a error,
Error
after
entry.
permission of error entry, and after permission of postman.
Okay, sir. So can you say how to change PAN card details or linking Aadhaar and PAN?
This is the personal matter, and a customer can buy privately. But in CSC, it is not applicable that a PAN card and Aadhaar card are linked.
Couldn't do this.
Is there any services शिव सर that कि हम पैन कार्ड को आधार कार्ड से लिंक कर सकते हैं और
पैन कार्ड को आधार कार्ड से लिंक करने के लिए थिंक इसकी
वैसे डायरेक्ट लिंक पे जाके ये हो सकता है सर
नहीं डायरेक्ट लिंक से हो सकता है बट इन केस राइट नाउ द सर्विस इज नॉट अवेलेबल from our side also customer needs to go for the Aadhaar center. Once you put the Aadhaar details, then only he's able to add details also. Once basically the thing is once he added his mobile number and email ID with his Aadhaar number, the detail is automatically updated from our side also.
Okay, sir. In EB bill payment, the bill amount is differing from the invoice. That is,
Ma'am, the thing is कि, on that particular transaction, na, the convenience fees you have to take it from a customer. That particular amount is your commission. Once you can see the invoice copy which is downloaded from our side, you can see the add money. The convenience fees is adding on that particular receipt also. You have to give it to the customer. At every transaction of BBPS electricity or regarding recharge, you need to collect that convenience fee also.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Any more question? Anji? Sir, you have to speak in Hindi or English.
Hello, sir.
Anji, sir.
Sir, I got one question regarding today while translating for electrical bill.
Okay.
That was telling that some name problem.
So you need to do one thing. You need to put your customer details in groups that we can check.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. That is
We
customer.
we don't know basically what type of error is this. Sometime it happens. There are some special characters also. So we need to go through
Yeah.
that particular thing. Na? So once you have put in a group, we'll check and we'll revert back to you.
Okay. Then I'll put it in. Sir, group, I put it in CSC Tamil Nadu group.
Yeah, that particular thing.
Yeah, you can in Tamil Nadu group and your circle admin will put it in main group.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, sir. I'll request him to put in the main group.
Yeah.
Secondly, sir,
Sure.
we have done transaction on 18th
Okay.
regarding
of August.
18th mobile recharge.
Okay.
18th of August.
Hmm.
But few transaction, that is around 11 transaction, refund it has come on 20th.
Okay.
So the transaction was successful. It has shown me successful. I got mail also through my email ID.
Yeah.
But all the 11 transaction, why it was refunded? I am not understanding. I noted down the
All
transaction
the
number.
11 transaction is been refunded. Whatever the once you have done any transaction, at the time of transaction, whatever
Sir.
it is, if any error reports on your screen, so
Okay.
that particular transaction is failed. If our screen shows you the successful transaction, then only the transaction is successful from our side. If any error reports of what type of error it is, we don't know, but at the time of error, that particular amount will be refunded back to you.
Sir, sorry. The transaction was successful. It
Order
was
history
shown
में.
successful.
ऑर्डर हिस्ट्री से सर एक बार स्क्रीन दिखा दीजिए सर.
I'll show it up.
Yes,
Sir, excuse me. The transaction was successful as per the system shown
Yeah.
as successful, and I got email also. The transaction is successful.
So just do one thing.
Sure, sir.
Just do
Okay.
one thing. Just send us the email copy, transaction details also. We'll check that
Pardon me, what
the amount will be refunded to you or not.
No, that though the transaction was successful, but it is refunded. That 11 were
That's what
refunded.
that's what I'm telling you.
You
That's
just need
what
to
I'm
mention
telling
all
you.
these 11 transactions with Rudraksh. Okay.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you, sir. You need to provide me the email copy in which you receive the successful message. You need to provide me the transaction ID. I'll check you and I'll revert back to you. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Any more question? Mr.
Hello.
Raji sir.
Sir, can you show an example transaction to do?
Sorry sir, your voice is echoing right now.
Hello.
Yes sir.
Sir, this is Sain Bishas.
Yes.
Sir, how will we get the wallet balance? Means what is the link between us and Samchadmar Keicho?
The main thing is that you don't need to do anything. In morning when you came, you need to add money, and at the end of the day at 6 p.m. you need to revert money whatever the amount remains. Okay.
how will we get the cash physically? Means will we take the cash from treasury?
Yeah, you need
No.
a particular amount will be given by the customer to you. Then you have to submit that particular amount at the end of the day to your treasury.
Okay, okay. Means all the transaction that will taken place to our counter will be only the customer will deposit.
All amount will be deposited in your treasury, sir.
Okay, okay. At the end of the day, we will hand it over the money to the treasury.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Yes, sir.
Normally, what we used to the post office that we transact deposit and withdrawal both. But in this case, we will transact only deposit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anything else?
Hello, sir.
Sanjeev?
Sir, can you do a PAN card transaction for us to see how this is done?
Sir, for this I want a customer so that I can apply a PAN card for him.